right now is a great time to be watching David Ayer movies, like the canon of David Ayer movies, because you know we're talking about Dark Blue, Training Day, movies you wrote, and then End of Watch. These are movies that deal with the kind of intense relationship between police and their community. And I mean, are you surprised that things are they seem to be getting worse lately, like, even after you've covered it in your movies?
I mean, it's a little heartbreaking, and I think maybe it's time for some changes.
Well, I mean, I'm wondering how Suicide Squad fits in that canon, because I'm looking at this movie. It's a movie looking at people that you assume are bad guys, but it's like, let's let them live, let's give them a chance, let's see how they could prove themselves as good guys, right? Did you see that working into your canon in any way like that?
I think it's really about, you know, if you get defined as something by society, is that who you really are? And, you know, does that mean that you aren't deserving of love and family and friendship and success in life, you know, and the opportunity to do good? And that's what this is about, really, is these guys have been, you know, locked up, put away, told how bad they are, and then they get an opportunity to come together as a family and do some amazing things together.